Today we are considering a topic, quadratic equation, but our focus is on the method of factorization. Now, given a quadratic equation or problem rather, how will you know that this problem in particular can be solved using factorization method? Because we have more than two methods that exist for the solution of quadratic equation. Now, we should know that quadratic equation is an equation of the form ax squared plus bx plus c equals to 0. Now, anytime you have an expression of second degree and is equated to 0, we call it quadratic equation. But if this expression starts with the first term and ends at c without equating it to 0, we call it quadratic expression. Now, assuming you are confronted with a problem x squared plus 5x plus 6 equals to 0, and you are asked to solve this problem without specification. What I mean is, you are not asked to use a particular method, and you know that you are good at factorization. How will you know, first of all, that the problem in question is factorizable? Now, there is what we call discriminant. I believe you might have seen something like d equals to b squared minus 4ac. Now, equate this to the general expression that exists for quadratic equation, which is ax squared plus bx plus c. Now, if you want to compare coefficients, the coefficient of x squared here is a, and that of x squared here is 1, meaning that a equals to 1. Then the coefficient of x here is b, and that of x here is 5, meaning that b is equals to 5. And then c is the constant, as you can see it here. It means your c is equals to 6. Now, this discriminant is used particularly for testing for factorization. Now, you will substitute the value of a, b, and c in the discriminant, and if you get a value like 1, 4, 9, 16, 25, 36, 49, 64, it means that that problem in particular can be solved using factorization. So here you have d equals to b squared, that is 5 squared, you have 5 squared, minus 4 times a, which is 1, times c, which is 6. You have d equals to 25 minus 4 times 1 gives 4 times 6. You have 24. Your d equals 1. It means that this problem can be solved using the method of factorization. And then you can go ahead and apply the method without stress.